Hey, Victoria! Oh, I better not get too close, because Victoria's morning breath is even worse than mine.
Excuse me?
Oh, no, sorry, I didn't mean that. Oh my God, it's so bad. I'm so sorry.
Hey everyone, it's JoJo, and welcome to my version of the Blurt premiere.
JoJo's, but I'm one of her biggest fans, and I loved the movie. She's amazing. I'm so proud of her. She's incredible.
Hey guys, it's Kendall. And I'm Kalani. And we're so proud of JoJo.
Yeah, her movie was so amazing. I loved it so much. I thought it was funny.
I was laughing the entire time. It was so funny. We're so proud of her, so
we hope you guys love it too. Love you.
Wow. Thank you all. Did you guys all like it? Thank you all for coming. And I mean, as I heard you all liked it. Now we are going bowling.
Kareem! The sea monster's grabbing me! It's so realistic!
Out of the water, kid! This is sensitive territory! Oh no! Don't worry, Kareem, I won't let you down! Seriously, you're gonna get me fired!
I'll never let go, Kareem. I'll never let go. Get off, this is weird. Someone please, mayday, get off. Get off. No, please, no. Please, no. No, please, no. Get off.
Right, Jace, lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm tired, but I'm good.
Good stuff. Right, so we're here to talk about Blurt. So can you tell us a bit about the film?
Yeah, so it's about this young teenager who kind of hasn't found his voice yet, and some kind of freak accident causes him to basically have to speak up, and it kind of shows that like once you speak your mind, you can kind of once you get out of your shell, you know. You can do great things.
But he also says a lot of
bad things as well.
Yeah.
Yes, a lot of bad things. But the good comes with the bad, and so it's definitely a very crazy movie.
What was it like working with JoJo Siwa?
She's great. I mean, she's got all this energy. Like literally, the person that you see on the YouTube videos and on screen is like who she is in real life. So like she's got all this energy. She's super hard worker. And she's just crazy.
Because she plays your little sister.
Yeah.
Do you think she's a good little sister?
Yeah. I mean, not her character. Her character isn't the best, but she was good. She was definitely good at the role. She was good at playing the character.
Yeah. Did she teach you any dance moves?
I think at some point she tried, which didn't go well. But she definitely did her best.
Right. So you're in England.
Yes.
And you've never been here before. You've never left America before?
I've never been overseas. I've been to like Canada and Mexico, but I've never been to Europe, anywhere like that, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to test you on some English words.
Oh, God.
What are wellies?
What?
Wellies.
Like annoying people?
It's short for Wellington boots, which are like those boots you wear in the
rain.
rain.
I thought it was like welly, like there's such a welly.
That's kind of good, that's a wally.
Wally,
actually.
okay.
And what is a fortnight?
A fortnight? That's a video game.
It's 2 weeks.
Wait, what? Fortnite's a video game.
I'll see you in a fortnight. I'll see you in 2 weeks' time.
Do you know the video game Fortnite?
No, I do now.
No, it's like a very popular video game in the States.
Okay, what do I mean if I say something is mingin'?
Mingen?
Mingen.
Minen?
Mingen.
Minen?
Mingen.
I don't even know.
It means it's gross.
Okay.
You're learning.
I'm learning right now. Oh god, I'm so...
Okay, what is the loo?
That's the bathroom.
Okay, you got
Yeah,
that.
yeah, I
That's
got
good.
that. I
Well
got
done.
that.
We've got
I
an
got
easy
that.
one in there.
Yeah.
What is a lolly?
Lollipop?
Yes.
Okay.
What would I say if something is bonkers?
Crazy, like out of this world.
Okay, you pulled it back at the end.
I'm good. You
Well
gave me some
done.
hard ones at the beginning.
I know you did really well.
All right, thank you.
Okay, we've got another game now.
Okay.
So this is actually in Girl Talk magazine.
Okay.
And it's called Don't Blurt It Out.
Okay.
Okay, so this game, it has a word along the top. And you have to describe that word to me. And we'll do it one at a time. And we'll see how many we can do in a minute. But there are 3 words underneath it that you're not allowed to say.
Got it. Okay. It's a you work for them.
A magazine?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
Girl Talk!
yeah.
Okay, chuck it on the floor.
All right.
We'll go back to it.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's an American version and an English.
The
word,
Office?
And you there's a thing
Huh?
that moves around the. You want to score a.
What? What?
Ronaldo plays this. David Beckham used to play this.
Soccer?
Football, yeah.
Football. Same thing.
There you go. Why is that so hard?
There's an American version and that's like everything.
I know.
All right.
Whoops.
Okay. Oh, she is blonde and
JoJo.
Yes.
Ooh, Blurt will be shown if it was in a.
Theater?
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, so Jace, thanks so much for
Thank
speaking
you.
to us and playing the game with us today. I'm sorry we weren't very
It's all. We'll improve
Good.
our skills.
at it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll
I'm
get
sure
better.
the readers will be better at it.
Yeah.
Can you please tell everyone 3 reasons why they should watch Blurt?
Yes, you should watch Blurt because JoJo Siwa is in it. It's hilarious, and I definitely embarrass myself in it. So
There we go. All the reasons.
there you go.